Hazur, my name is Shahriyar Ahmed Danish, and my question is, as a new high school student, I notice many evils in school that occur. Please advise us on what we should do to avoid all the evils that are commonly found in high school.
You see, so now you are almost 15, right? And this is very dangerous age. Teenage normally is. And when you reach the age of 15, 16, 17, now you think that you are now mature and there should not be any restriction on you. But keep in mind that you are an Ahmadi and you believe in one God and that Islam is the true religion. We believe that the Holy Quran is the last book of Sharia, which was revealed to the Holy Prophet ﷺ, right? So there are quite a number of commandments. Allah Ta'ala has told us these are the bad things, these are the good things, right? So if we know that what is bad and what is good, then obviously if you are a sane person, if you have wisdom, some wisdom, then you will try to avoid those things which are bad, which can ultimately destroy your life here in this world and the hereafter. Don't think that if you are committing something wrong, doing something wrong, nobody is seeing you. Always remember that Allah Ta'ala is always watching over us. And He knows each and everything, whatever we do. So, for the sake of attaining the love of Allah Ta'ala, for the sake of sticking to the teaching of Islam and commandments of Allah Ta'ala, we have to do the good things which have been commanded to us by Allah Ta'ala. So in this way, you can avoid the bad things of this society, of your students. And also, at the same time, you know your fellow students, if they are doing something wrong, then you should try to express your dislike on that thing. Or rather, you should hate that thing if they are doing something bad, right? And they should know that you don't like it. When they come to know that you don't like bad things, they will avoid before you. So this is also one of the ways you can avoid these things. And try to pick your friends, choose your friends from among those students who are good in nature, good in studies, and morally good. Okay?
Jazakallah, Hazur.